Hello everybody, it's Christine. It is time for the Color Rush Studio Main kit reveal. The name of this kit is Be the Rainbow, which I kind of love that, I'm honest. There's that whole quote that says something like, be the change you want to see in the world or whatever. So I think Be the Rainbow is wonderful. Now, I covered this up so I didn't peek myself. I got the box yesterday. I opened the box. I could see the top paper, and I was like, oh, but I covered it up so I didn't peek it myself because I wanted to open it with you guys. So, let's get this out here. Oh, and by the way, these are exclusive papers. So these are not a base kit like from like a Pink Paisley or something like that. These are exclusive. So this whole kit basically, I think maybe just the thickers are not, but it's an exclusive kit, right? So I'm gonna set the embellishments aside. Let's kind of go through this. I haven't seen anything other than this top page, and oh my gosh, this is so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a pad. Check it out. So you don't lose them, because I will. I'll stick them somewhere sometimes. So I'm gonna pull these apart here. So isn't this stunning? Look at this. And you can fussy cut these, but I kind of also love this little green grid that's behind it, or like it's not a grid exactly. It's like it's a offset grids or something. I don't know how to explain it, but it's also got these really pretty butterfly trails. That is so beautiful. I could easily see cutting out these butterflies though. Our back is like I don't know what color that is. Is that like an aqua? No, that's a little too, aqua's too blue. It's kind of like a green with a blue undertone. And I think that pattern is called Damask. So that's lovely. I'm going to keep this page up because I really like that. All right, now we have this pretty floral. It has kind of a darker outline, like a bold outline. So again, you could get your fussy cut on if you want to, especially look at these leaves. This is neat. You could cut these and tuck, you know. It's kind of got these peachy coral colors, of course, a bright yellow. It's got these green leaves again. Little flowers here. These could be cut out and just sprinkled around too. That's really beautiful. Oh, and a great diagonal strap. Look at this yellow, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. I want to do this side up, I think, just because. Why not? And, oh, here's a rainbow. I just love this. And it's kind of got that pretty, like aqua bluish. And then you kind of got these little, like, almost like, it's not an animal print, that's really wrong, but like little spots kind of in it. You can almost imagine like raindrops or something. I have seen where people like take rainbows and they'll cut these out and, you know, scuff up the edges, things like that. That could be really pretty. Or you could just do like tone on tone embellishment, something like that. And then we have this really pretty little plaid. This is kind of springtimey to me. So like a really, really good transition paper to go from May is a good transition, you know, May flowers type deal, right? So this is a really pretty little paper. I like that a lot, although I like that rainbow. I like this little circle here. We got us a polka dot, right? With a bunch of, again, we got that nice kind of greenish color with that light, that kind of a, I want to say it's almost like a bluish undertone, but that may not be right either because I've got these yellows, the pinks. This is really pretty. You can either cut these in stripes. You could punch these out if you want to. You could use this as a background. I'm kind of imagining cutting a shape out or something with this. Oh, that's so pretty, you guys. Look at that with this green leaf. Oh, that's so pretty. I mean, you could fussy cut these too. You'd have to allow yourself to be okay with a little bit of overlap when you fussy cut. But that is just lovely. I just love that. Oh, we got us a faux mixed media. So this is nice, which is great because I have packed all my mixed media. So this is awesome. I'm really glad for this. And also, just so you know, we have a sketch challenge. So if you hop onto the Facebook group and everything, there's a sketch challenge. And I believe the base for the sketch challenge is this piece of mixed media. So that's amazing. And then we have, this is different. I think this is thicker lines. Oh, it's totally different, Christine. It's same colors kind of, but it's thicker lines and it's on the diagonal versus this plaid. I knew I remembered the colors, but that's gorgeous. I like that. Then we have this nice kind of pinky, peachy polka dot. You could use that as either, you could technically use that as a background. It can act almost as a neutral if you put enough, you know, things on it that it kind of fades into the background, but that's a really pretty little color. And then, oh, this is like those spirographs. Did y'all have that toy? It had like circles and you took your pen and you went around and it did like that. That's what this looks like. Now this is a little more on the, I want to almost say a Kelly green side. It's a little more green, a little brighter green. It goes really well with this butterfly here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Very geometric. I love that. Here is another. Oh, look at this, you guys. We get 2 of all of these. Oh, yes. This is so nice. Look at this. We have our butterfly paper again. Look at that. So now I can show you both sides. I did not know it would do that. So, whoops, let me flip it this way. And so then we can flip it this way. So this is our top and bottom. Then we have this little guy here with this little guy. So let's, oh my gosh, y'all, I'm making a huge mess. So we have this and we have this. I always love double-sided because I feel sad sometimes we only get one sheet because I'm like, I'm gonna need both at some point. And especially this rainbow one, that's really great. And then we have that. And then here's our leaf again. I just love that paper there. Isn't that pretty? And then we have our mixed media and our plaid. Look at that palette, you guys. And then we have our green and our pink polka dots. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Such a fun, happy, I mean, this is just the happiest palette, you guys. Just so fun and happy. So let's see what kind of exclusive embellishments we get. So first off, we have these cute, like embroidered, I guess it's embroidered. They're like string. Let me open it. Little flowers here, which is kind of perfect. Again, May flowers, right? My daughter's birthday is this month, you guys. So I kind of see myself making layouts about my daughter. Okay, like that's actually unusual, right? No. If you've watched me for any length of time, you know she's in almost all of them. And then look at these adorable hearts. Oh, these cute hearts, you guys. Little puffy hearts. And these are just, they're puffy with little, like, they're like shaker pocket hearts. Look at that. The little things kind of move in them. So we have a purple. We have a blue. We have a pink with kind of actually little purple stars kind of in. Look at the little pieces, you guys. There's little stars in them. Oh my gosh, these are so neat. I love these. And then we have yellow. Oh, wow. I sometimes wonder about the manufacturing process behind stuff like that. I'm like, how do they not get the stuff in the middle? Because I totally do when I just try to glue stuff down. You guys, look at this adorable. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. So what we have, let's see if this comes apart when I do. Yeah, I don't want to pull this all out yet. So it's wood veneer for the little Polaroid frame, the little square, and the little circle. Be the rainbow. Is that not, oh my gosh, that is so cute. But then the color pieces are acrylic. Oh my goodness. That is so stinking cute, you guys. I don't want to pull it out because I don't want to mess it up, and I'll mess it up. Alrighty, let me see what I've done. But look at that. How adorable is that? So you can definitely, look how they're separated. So this is adorable. I love this as a frame for sure. This is so cute. And I love the smile. I think that is so cute. I can't get over that. She has just such smart stuff. Oh, and here's something similar in the sense of like you get this little acrylic piece inside this wood veneer like here. What am I trying to say? You know, like your Instagram likes, right? So you got a little wood veneer like speech bubble looking thing, and then the little heart is acrylic. And then we have the story is glitter, and it's acrylic. Oh, that is so neat. Y'all, I'm the luckiest person on the planet to be on this design team with these gorgeous products. I'm not going to lie. That is so neat. I'm so blessed. Oh, and the frazzles. Let me show you this. Okay, we got 3 frazzles and a pom-pom. So I can't even wrap my brain around how freaking cute these are. Look at this. We have this plaid, plaid, gingham, little purple gingham. And then we have a little rainbow with little polka dots all over it. Oh, you guys. And a little white pom-pom, which is adorable. And then a little, like, turquoise. Is that a turquoise? With a tiny little polka dot. This is so freaking cute, you guys. I'm going to have to think on how to use these in the most creative possible way. This is such a pretty, happy palette. And then last but not least are actually the thickers. It's called Sweet Rush. And you can kind of see there's like the white letter, but then there's like a little rainbow behind it is your kind of your shadow, your drop shadow. And that's a goodly amount of little letters there. And as always, we have our tissue paper. I have used this on several layouts when I do these. So you guys, whenever you get this, make sure you hang on to this tissue paper because it is a really nice little extra. So that is our kit this month. It's the May main kit, and it is the Be the Rainbow. Isn't this gorgeous? So you guys check out the links below. I'll have the Facebook, the website, all the good things. If you do put Christine 10 in there, you will get a 10% discount off your first order. And you guys, this is a great first kit. I'm just saying, it's so pretty. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time. I'll have layouts on Saturdays this month, so make sure you watch for those. And of course, all the design team members are stunningly talented, so you can always kind of watch the channel for those. She shares other videos that other team members do, so make sure you try to watch those, and we will see you soon.